Hi, I'm ReAnn Gonzalez with Edge Home Finance. Before we get started, I have a huge favor to ask. Please hit the like and subscribe button below. Okay, so now let's get into it. An underwriter might request a letter of explanation for a mortgage loan if they see any red flags or unexplained discrepancies in your credit history or financial documents. While a request for an explanation letter may seem like a sign that your application will be rejected, it's actually an opportunity to strengthen your case. If an underwriter is asking for a letter of explanation, they're asking for more clarity. Don't freak out. There are many different types of letters that could be requested. So let's go over the 4 most common ones. And the first one is credit inquiry letter. Sometimes this is a form in the loan application packet for you to complete, or we may ask you to write a letter. We are needing to address any recent credit inquiries over the last several months to see if you have any newly opened accounts. So your letter is just going to need to say to whom it may concern. The credit inquiries appearing on my credit report are listed and addressed below. For instance, Macy's. I applied for a credit card to get 10% off on my purchase. I did receive a credit card for a limit of $1,000 and I've attached a copy of my credit card statement. Or if you did not accept or were not approved for the credit card, then just state a new account was not opened. What we see a lot is inquiries from other mortgage companies as people will shop lenders. On those, you just need to state for each one that you were shopping for a home or mortgage and did not open any new accounts with the lenders. The second one is joint account or access letter. You may have an individual on your bank statement. For instance, my son's account was opened while he was still a minor, so my name is also on his account. If he were to use this account for down payment or closing costs and I was not a party to his transaction, they would most likely want me to write a letter. So I would write to whom it may concern, my son as joint owner on our bank account with XYZ Bank, account number 123, has full access to any and all funds. If you should have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Sincerely, and signed by me. Make sure that all the letters that you do for the underwriter are signed by you. They do want to see a wet signature on there. And the third type of inquiry letter is break or change in employment. Let's say you have had a 4 or 5 month break between jobs. The underwriter may need for you to explain why the break. Maybe you were moving towns because your spouse was transferred and it took some time for the move. Or you just couldn't find a job in the new area. Maybe you had to go through some state licensing or training and that took a while. Or maybe you had to take some time off for yourself or to help a family member. And the fourth and final example is motivation and disposition letter. The reason they will ask for this is it can be a big red flag for underwriters as occupancy fraud is a big issue. So let's say you own a home and want to buy another home nearby, but plan on keeping your current home. The underwriter may ask for a letter of explanation. They are wanting to know, will you be renting your current home and plan to occupy the new home? Or will you be selling your current home, but maybe not until after you close on the new home, so that you may have time to move and do some repairs before listing? If you plan on keeping both houses, that is fine, but we need to explain why, especially if the homes are in the same neighborhood. Maybe the new one has been updated or has a bigger yard, better school district, or has more bedrooms or less bedrooms. If you are an empty nester like myself, maybe you are looking to downsize. It has to make sense so that if anyone picks up your file in the future, even a possible auditor, they don't question the occupancy of the new home. I hope you found this information helpful. If you know of anyone who needs help with a mortgage, please share my YouTube channel with them, as my goal is to help as many people as I can achieve the American dream of homeownership. Lastly, if you have any questions and want to chat about your situation, please feel free to reach out to me at 915-478-1157 or apply at my link listed below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.